We are out in Rome, Georgia to bid a new roof. This customer's had multiple leaks, and when you walk this roof, it's pretty obvious they did a few add-ons to the house over time. So you can see the heavy wear and tear, a lot of the granulation loss, just because the shingle is getting so old. But like up here, you can see where they tried to tie in a new area to an old. Didn't really tie it in that well. It's kind of an odd junction there. You see that shininess on the shingles? That's the fiberglass mat of the shingles that it's basically constructed on, shining through because all the asphalt and the granules have started to disappear. Once you start seeing that shininess everywhere, it's time. Get your plumbing boots here. A couple repairs by them, a lot of wear and tear again. You can see they've had a few repairs done over the years. You may be able to see the roof kind of dips as it goes down. Sometimes that's just from settling. It's not necessarily a structural issue or even a roof issue, but it could also be that the plywood under there is getting soft and starting to sag. So that could be an issue we may find when we open it up. Come around here. There's a couple holes in the roof. Customer said they had a couple leaks down here. One could be from this boot here. They roofed it wrong, they enclosed it. You're not really supposed to do that because that can trap water, and then the water gets under the shingles, will work its way downhill. But you've also got some random nails in the face of the shingle. Those should never be visible. They had a leak over in this room too, and you can see this is bulging up. And you've got a nail popping through there, so the plywood came up. Another exposed nail there. It's not too surprising. There's some leaks. Looks like they've had a lot of issues with this chimney. Just smeared mastic all over it over the years to try and stop it. Same with this attic vent. Usually when you see something like that, it's because it's not really a roofer trying to fix it, or it's not a very good roofer. That's more of like a handyman. Just had no clue how to fix it, so they do the Band-Aid, smear tar all over it, and sometimes that will solve it, sometimes it won't. It's usually a Band-Aid though. It's not going to be long lasting. You can see the mastic starts cracking over time. So now water's going to start getting in there again. The right answer would be to re-flash that thing properly, but that's not what they did. You got this addition here, your electric service mast. They had to re-roof that at some point. Probably leaking. This pipe should not be covered like that. Unless it's abandoned, there's a chance that they redid plumbing in the house and no longer use it. And so instead of closing it, they did that. Sometimes they do that because they just don't know better, but those need to be open. Otherwise, your plumbing won't drain properly. You've got, these are your box attic vents. When you have one lower in the roof, that usually means it's something different, like maybe your water heater or your house heater, or a kitchen vent, bathroom vent, something like that. Otherwise, just a lot of wear and tear, kind of sloppy install, sloppy overlap here. This roof is definitely ready to be replaced, and we can do that.